koro and you dey hear me whine. I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. And this, now that ogbonge topical discussion show, as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas, sake of say, all the action story where they come on smoke inside Obodo Nigeria, we go carry them, drop them down, chook mouth inside, give you license to talk your own, so that the most important thing, those when the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as they concern any serious matter as it is hot.
A beautiful Tuesday morning to our beautiful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry that Ogbonge program coming away again as it is hot. That political program where they do it with the sunshine, they informate now with different political activities. Today will not go different because we will get an interesting issue where we say at least we will use this opportunity, inform our viewers, inform Nigerians about how good they will take waka when they won't do it, when they won't say they won't put up structures like that is house. Now what we go talk about today, I will also do it in collecting our costs at least. So that those of them will get contribution, will get suggestion, will get anything to talk about on this issue. Now we'll fit do it in, now we'll fit talk about it. My name never change. My name is Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor will join us today, and somebody when we say, when it comes to building and construction, him be senior. If they give professor title for that particular field, he go get her. In fact, this na person when we say, if he carry eye just look cement or iron, he go tell you how you go take free use them to build something when we say he go dey very solid and very strong. Now why we carry and come chook mouth inside the discussion when we dey discuss on top of the matter we get to do with falling house, falling hand inside Obodo, Nigeria. And they talk of no other than Oga Dele Arumemi. Oga Dele Arumemi, welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. Sir, welcome.
Oga Dele Arumemi, the way when your voice even they say, you be like best when we say your voice, you don't even need to raise your voice. You go hear am for like 3-story building.
You don't take for the system, so no, you get this thing done this way. No, don't.
Your voice, the thing thick, the thing be like granite. They sound well.
Thank you very much.
You get what tradition we'll get here, and when we carry Ogbonge guests like people like Nakon, we normally do it. We normally extend hand of fellowship. Now we now call hand of friendship. So that once we start to discuss the matter, no go see and say this will carry me. That's why. Thank you very much.
We shake and make the thing not be like quarrel. Okay. Our people when they for house, we not go waste time. Make we break down our discussion, make everybody understand them today. For social studies, they teach say there be 3 basic necessities of life: food, clothing, and shelter. Make I break down for pidgin. Food, that is man must chop to get power. Clothing, that is man must wear cloth, cover nakedness. When they no begin, they think say not, don't lose one head. And shelter be say after man don't waka all the waka when he go waka, he go come for night. Can't sleep. It can't be like say for our society. If person build house, it be like say he don't win walk up. Because the kind of party when we they call, based on the kind of landlord they want to get for different parts of inside Nigeria, when they open office for people head, now something when they're very serious. Today on top of the show, we go check so many important issues when get to do with housing for inside Obodo Nigeria. So people don't talk say na desperation. Now it go make man decide say instead of make I use 2 cement build this thing, make I use half. Come build and finish, just say they manage there so that you're not going to pay money to landlord before something happen. Other people say, don't look this situation, can't look say, it go good, make human being get better house, make it they live inside. Man not supposed to live for house, they drag with cockroach and rats. It doesn't work. I go speak Ghanaian English. It doesn't work. It's supposed to live for house when we say, he go no say, yes, this place now home. No be just say, he just dead there, they put head together. So we go check the reasons why he be say, people for Nigeria, they look housing as the end result of everything, number 1. Number 2, waiting be those things when they come, they make a maybe like say, at the end, when people they construct, waiting that they construct, house go they fall anyhow. And number 3, waiting be the way forward for this particular situation. Bearing in mind, say, some kind of things don't happen for inside Obodo, Nigeria, not just for Lagos. Everybody remembers over the weekend, for my 12th area of Lagos State, you get one house when we say the thing fall down by some people. We don't also forget the one way happened for Lekki Garden, that is in the Lekki area of Lagos State. make we not also forget, say, for even Benin, for Akure, for Zamfara, for Kano, different parts of Nigeria, it just be like, say, this thing is something when we say, it go reach one point when we say it go happen. How we go take free control am? How we go take free check am? Now, what we go to discuss on top of Ask It the Heart today. Our Ogbonge visitor, once again, we go welcome you come on top of Ask It the Heart.
Thank you very much.
We don't go waste time. We'll go straight into our discussion.
Okay.
First question now. A lot of Nigerians feel say one of the greatest things when we say anybody feel achieve for this country now to get your own house. They don't care whether the house, so long as say landlord no go come, they knock for door, you go come, they hide, they tell your wife, say, tell him I'm not around. Or tell your pikin, say, tell him that I traveled. The people go to say, my daddy said I should tell you that he traveled. Wetin be this thing when they make Nigerians look, say, this house, oh, whether na say we just knack zinc together, we go get am. Shey na say we dey desperate, make we no dey give landlord money, or for this country, once you don't get house, you don't see final be that.
Well, thank you. You see, once man wey don work for years, he need to stay, retire, make he go in own house. Then secondly, you go find say many people, many of these landlords, the way they take charge for rent, it dey very high.
True.
And also, most government in the for the time we pass, they not they develop housing and they not develop the villages. So everybody go come city, come look for job. As they look for jobs, so the little house where they for the place, now everybody want park go. Now, if you enter that kind of place, say, like Lagos, for instance, now, it therefore say at least 2 million people now they enter Lagos every day. Every day, then they enter. Whether they still, then they come out. At least if you enter, you must stay for house.
2 million.
2 million every day. Because everybody believes say this Lagos, now the job day.
Now there, now be the grass green.
So as in they come like that, they go need houses. But these houses, they're not most government for time past, they not even provide houses. So the little one way they, or you go call and say pressure, they on top of them. Where we say many people won't enter, but they not will get. And the landlords, they know they help matters. So as this is going to be like that now, with the little money where you get, you go look for one place, even what we call it board off, where they will take wood, knack together, make rain not beat you. You go park, enter there, and so it be.
So long as say you they carry title of landlord.
Landlord. When they go call landlord meeting, you two go tie wrapper. You go
even though na pako.
Even na pako, even na even zinc. You go tie wrapper, you go there. You don't escape landlord wahala, high rent wahala. People they talk and say once you get house for Lagos, 65% of your problem you don't solve.
Hey, so that be say landlord them. They even you get where we go check. I don't be say they talk about if you check say 65% of person problem come out of 100. I be say landlord there be principalities and powers.
Well, I not go talk like that because even the landlords themselves then they provide better accommodation. Now, if they provide accommodation, they themselves, they staff themselves, make them get money to provide that accommodation.
True.
So, now investment where they make, then go chop out of them. But that greedy nature, now we not want. Say, for example, now, a person who does live in university, you go take a 3-bedroom flat. What do you want to use them for?
How now?
What do you want to use them for? And you say, you can't pay 1.5 million. Tomorrow you go say corruption. Now, so it be. So, the landlord, well, make them, they won't be say, make them they charge rent where be say a day where everybody fit afford. Now, retrenchment day, everything day. Nobody know. If you resume today, tomorrow you go there unemployed. So all these things, where they worry us, unemployment and everything, make them put them into consideration before they charge this their rent. And also, remember, say not only that they charge rent, some of them they give houses to these estate agents. And most of these estate agents, so then worse past landlord. So now so it be.
Okay, the way when you don't take start this particular discussion, you don't open road on the way when we say we go take follow this particular discussion. Go, you don't make it very, very clear. Say, not be just basically because of say everybody won't get house, but because like you on scale of 1 to 100%, you talk about 65% of the fact say people they look say are they struggle to survive or are they live, and if I don't get where I go there, it's all make I they pay somebody every year. I don't get one particular thing when we say we go there. So we don't identify the fact say housing or shelter now something when they very, very, very important. And we just like put them out there, make Nigerians understand this particular point when they carry come.
So we don't establish the major thing. Okay, maybe we can look it just as you talk, now good thing for person to do it, to say you get a shelter of your own. You understand?
Yes.
And you also say, okay, landlords will do this more like an investment for them. To say, okay, I build house to make people come they live. And for them to build that house, they're going to show us at least the safety of the people they come live for that house, go do it in, say go they safe. And that is they're going to need to use quality material to build the house. Okay, maybe we can bring that down to the issues that they face right now. The issue of, say, buildings they collapse. So now, we go talk now because of, say, out of desperation. Now, it make people, they say, okay, may I quickly build the house. I mean, just out of, say, people just, they use things we know they're appropriate to mount house. They take build house. How would they describe this thing?
You see, some people, they build house out of desperation. Say, okay, landlord, I don't suffer landlord wahala for a long time. Now, that one day, if you look the kind of houses where then they build, now houses will be, say, in future, government will acquire that land, say, in a slum, then go clear all those things come out. They not get papers, the relevant papers will be saying, back on like CO4, all those things. If you not get time, you not get voice. So they go clear all those ones come out.
Very true.
Now, the other question where you can't ask, say buildings they fall. Now because of desperation, when they know they use materials, we say it did all right. That one, it did different. You see, when people they talk about, say, buildings they fall, make I give you statistics. Between 207 and 212, now 301 houses, nine collapse for Lagos.
301
houses.
Between that
207,
space of 5 years.
5 years.
301
houses, nine collapse for Lagos.
For just Lagos alone.
For Lagos alone. Now, last Saturday, another one collapsed for my 12. So when you look at all these things, you go come find say, not be saying building alone, building materials feel out to run. There are other things we say feel out to run.
Okay.
For example, now, most of the people where government supposed to use to control this building project, you go find say some of them they not they go there. Waiting, then go chop. Nine they find. That one or that one. Then again, the experience that we get now. You find say nowadays, if you they observe, if you put eye for ground, you see that somebody will want build house. He go Ghana, he go Cotonou, he go Lomé, go bring people where you can help and build. The kind of stealing where they go on site, people will make can help you build. And now those kind of stealing, what we want to discover now, they say, now two ways. You fit buy all those cement and all those iron, you put them for one warehouse. Then as the people, as the one use and the one they take, between the warehouse and the where they want to take them, something will disappear. Now, you will see say all those things, they also add. For example, now if your quantities of your, that's when people will tell you say, now this kind of material you go need for so. Say you need about 20 bags of cement. You give them 20 bags of cement. If 8 come out, it will remain 12. You go find say they go use that 12 take do that job. Already, that right from the beginning, that house don't get problem. Because now 20 bags, but now 12 bags they use. So they will come take sand, match the whole thing.
Rest.
Before you know it, yeah, you know say it takes they take 5 years make one house sink to the real level.
5 years.
5 years for make a house sink to the real
But
level.
in the case of some of the houses where don't collapse,
Yes.
now houses they don't be for long.
The house is there for long. You go come ask yourself, now, for example, now, if you build a house, a 3-bedroom, make you think, say, now, like a family of 5 or 6, now you go come occupy am. You can say about 12 people, they sleep for that place, they wake up. All the things where you there for that house, they go don't overuse them.
Very true.
They go don't overuse them. So, the problem where they happen now again, I feel blame on landlord and these estate agents. At every time, they're supposed to come, make them come redo all those things where we say you don't come on. Then, after a number, some years again, they will come again. They will come reinforce the building. They will come reinforce the building. Either they will put more columns or some other things so that the building will still be strong. Now, some of them will come. You have your foundation when you they make and to support a story building. You will come put one on top. You will put another one again. So, at the end of the day, the foundation not go fit carry on because all the foundation na be the heart
Now
of the building.
they carry everything.
So
now.
if the foundation not fit carry and the building must collapse.
Very true.
Now with time it go collapse.
Very true. Ogadele, make I come from this particular angle now. You can give us what they call shocking or alarming statistics. Say between 2007 and 2012, 5 years, say over 300, about 301 houses collapse for inside this Lagos. But some people go still even argue, say based on say we get 2 million people when they enter Lagos, the population of Lagos and everything. Say if you even pass this figure, make we no even know based on the kind of things where they happen. But we can't look one or maybe we look two when we say there be things when we say they shake Lagos and they shake the whole of Nigeria because people can't look say it be like say somehow like you don't mention. So many people when we say they're supposed to play their part to ensure say they do this thing the way when they do them, or the people when get the plan to do them when the thing is supposed they they like that. Make I give example of what happened on the 12th of September 2014 for Synagogue Church of All Nations where they talk say one particular building when we say then they construct say the thing fall, and I go back to the one when we say happen for Lekki area, the one we get to do with Lekki Gardens. Now if we look these two particular incidents, come check them. Now something when we say if we compare them to other ones we on day before, houses went on stay for a very long time, or houses when we say the way when they build them, they don't build them that well. But if we check Lekki Gardens, check what thing they do before. Houses when we say they do when people they testify say the thing they stand well. But this particular incident can't happen when we say it can't be like say the thing fall. You get anywhere we go feel relate this one to the fact say somehow maybe monkey hand enter inside the arrangement of say people when they construct, or people when we say they regulate the way when they go about the building and the construction, or even though now the people when we say get them from the start, they don't get their plan right.
You see, if you look at that Lekki, for me as far as I'm concerned, Lekki man, he don't take away they build houses. And this man, he don't try.
Example story of what he don't do.
Waiting at least, I know say this man don't deliver up to about 6,000 houses.
Information day.
Information day. For every place, he don't deliver up to about 6,000 units of houses. Then this man, not only Lagos, he build, he build for Abuja, he build for Port Harcourt.
True.
Now, waiting go make this kind of man will be say he put in money. If you look at housing in Nigeria, I think problem of housing in Nigeria is one, say we not get any mortgage bank. Forget about that. We not get there's no mortgage bank in Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned, because mortgage is supposed to give you loan on single unit, but none of the banks they give that kind of loan. Now, if you look at it very well, this man, if they take his own money, they build, they sell. Definitely, you don't go do something where they say it will affect his reputation and affect his business. Okay. That will not be in business.
True.
And if they do something where they say we need, and we still need houses tomorrow. True. As a matter of fact, if you want to look at very well, it could make say we would get up to about 1 million house every year. Not only getting 1 million houses, but make those houses also make it reach the target where they say make it reach.
Very true.
Very quickly, I want to chip in this. You talk say, of course, we don't see the track record of the best way get these particular institutes. Don't say don't build houses different places. But again, one report we get about the same issue where they ask you, look, say if I say you get an appropriate number of level or buildings or probably story where they say make you build this in rich. But it can't go do somehow go beyond that. I don't know how true that report be. Okay, if they don't give you conditions, say, okay, now this number of this thing, make no pass this level, no pass 2 or 3 story building. You can't say, okay, you can't go on your own part, can't add like an extra 2. Change notice in a violation of the law. Then secondly, make your going by the track record we don't set. How you go take relate them?
You see, make I say something here. If the building authorities, they are up to their, we say, then they do their work very well.
That's the people they regulate.
People they regulate. They do their work very well. Then will they conduct periodic checks?
True.
On him. They not go allow exceed the number of floors where they say make it build.
Because not their work.
Because not their work. Look, I know saying that minister they be government people, but government people they sit down for decks, the people they go feed the day. So they at every point in time, I want you see the start of a house or to build a house. It not start when you see the house. It starts when una dey do all the paperwork, say una wan go approve and do everything. Na from there dem go dey follow. True. So the man say he go build above. Is now if he build above, because I don't know the number of laws where they approve for him, and the number where you don't reach.
To 5.
So if you don't reach 5, if you say na 3 and na 5, the 4th now the building regulatory authorities of the government now their hand in dey. Why? Because the time where he reach 3, the for tell am say stop. Now if you say you not stop, if you say you not stop there and then now him get to the wahala.
Very true. But he get another report when they talk say they seal, according to the report when we say the government people then bring out, they talk say they seal the property, but based on say it does look say okay, oh, I get power or somehow he can't continue work on top of that place. But before we go answer that question, we go quick rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as we get to do with falling house, falling hand inside Obodo, Nigeria. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia Max, now Wazobia TV, and this now as Ide complete and hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.